once upon a time, in a small, picturesque village nestled between rolling hills and lush fields, there lived a humble farmer named Samuel. Samuel was known far and wide as the best food farmer in the region. His fruits and vegetables were always the plumpest, juiciest, and most vibrant in color. His livestock was the healthiest and happiest, and his farm was the epitome of prosperity. Samuel was not just known for his farming skills but also for his wisdom and kindness. He was always ready to lend a helping hand to his fellow villagers and never hesitated to share the fruits of his labor. But it wasn't just his generosity that made him a beloved figure, it was his unwavering commitment to doing the right thing. Even when it was challenging, one year, a drought struck the village. The crops withered, and the livestock grew weak from lack of food and water. The villagers were worried about their livelihoods, and some began to steal from one another out of desperation. Amid this chaos, Samuel's farm remained lush and green. People wondered how he managed to keep his crops thriving in such harsh conditions. Samuel, however, didn't keep his methods a secret. He openly shared his wisdom with others. He explained that during the bountiful years, he had diligently saved seeds, set aside extra food, and collected rainwater to prepare for difficult times. He encouraged his fellow villagers to do the same, to share their resources and work together to overcome their challenges. Samuel knew that true wealth lay not in hoarding riches but in helping one another. His advice sparked hope among the villagers, and they began to adopt his practices. They shared their meager resources, worked together to create communal rainwater reservoirs, and supported one another during the drought. Gradually, the village transformed into a tight-knit community, where everyone looked out for each other's well-being. When the rains finally returned, the village celebrated not only a bountiful harvest but also their newfound unity. Samuel's farm remained prosperous, and so did his heart. He continued to share his knowledge, never growing weary of helping others learn the ways of sustainable farming and community support. The story of Samuel, the wise food farmer, teaches us that true wealth lies not just in material possessions but in the strength of our communities and our willingness to help one another. By sharing our knowledge, supporting our neighbors, and preparing for adversity, we can thrive together, even in the harshest of circumstances. Samuel's legacy reminds us that the path to prosperity is paved with kindness, cooperation, and resilience.